Right, we've just come back down the riverbank this afternoon. We've got the ball for Sky this time. And nobody else down here. We're going to throw the ball, Sky. Beautiful little spot this for your dogs if they like water. Go on then, again. Right, I think we're going to walk back down the riverbank, and I think we're going to go over the bridge to the other side soon. As you can see, beautiful spot. Sun is coming out this afternoon, guys. Still a little bit on the chilly side. We just put a body warmer on this afternoon. At least it's dry, that's the main thing. Right, we're going to go over the other side of the water now. See if we can find anything interesting. I'd just like to mention as well, guys, I don't think we've got much chance of getting the drone up here. Apparently we're in a no-fly zone. You got Prestwick Airport within distance, and I think you've got to be further than 5 kilometres away as the crow flies, and obviously we're less than that, so whether or not we can get further down the coast or the beach, it might be just worth switching on and seeing. But let's just show you. I see Ayr River one way and back down the other way. That way goes back into town and the harbour and the beach. Right, we can only go right here for a moment. Looks like you can carry on the riverbank or go up these steps, so I think we're going to have a quick look up here. Right, let's see what we can find. If it's not too much, guys, we won't show you anything. Right. Right, it looks like we come to the main road. Cemetery across the road. So I think we'll just go back, stay on the riverbank. Right, as you can now see, we've ended up at the beach, promenade. It's too nice for afternoon to be in, guys. So we thought, why not? Let's come down here for a half hour or so. Have a little beach play again. As you can see, it's turned out a lovely day again. More sunshine this afternoon and this morning, guys. Didn't think we'll be doing any more vlogging, but couldn't resist picking the camera up.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
A few more people enjoying themselves this afternoon on the beach. Probably doesn't look many as I'm recording, but back past me, guys, there's lots more, and all at the top end mainly on the sandier sand, and that we're lucky the tide is still out here till I think about 4 o'clock this afternoon when it's high tide.
If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got, and when we're drowning in doubt, Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new.
Right, I think we're gonna head off the beach shortly, and then it looks like we're gonna drop back down through the town, and we're gonna see if we can walk on the south side of the riverbank, and then get back to the motorhome, guys. It'll be mid-afternoon then, and yeah, the usual thing, coffee and a bit of cake.
Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and
Right, I don't know what this little interesting building is here, guys. I'm not too sure whether we can get in or not. We'll have a wander around this side. That gate is locked. Right, it's all locked up, and it's called St John's Tower. The tower is all that remains of a large church of St John. The tower was an addition, possibly added in the 14th century. Robert the Bruce, attending a meeting of the Scottish Parliament held here in 1315 after Bannockburn. John Knox probably preached here, as his son-in-law was a minister from 1600 to 1606, and Mary Queen of Scots had her horses stabled here overnight during her Ayrshire visit in 1565. John Knox's daughter Elizabeth is thought to be buried beside the tower. The church was demolished by the town council in 1726, but the tower itself survived and was later restored in 1914 by Lord Bute. He transferred the ownership to the Borough of Ayr in 1949. So that is St John's Tower, guys. Can't see too much of it through the trees, but yeah, I wonder if they open up some days. Right, we're back on the riverbank, south side. We've got the town, which is back to the at that junction, guys, up to the right. That's where the main town centre is. Right, I think we just about managed to find a little section on the south side to walk. There's a bridge there what takes you on the north side. The north side is where the campsite is, but I'm sure we can get out at the end here, guys. Lots and lots of swans out there at the moment. Right, I'd just like to say thank you all for watching this latest vlog, Walks with Sky. I think she's enjoyed her afternoon. We've done a little bit of everything she likes doing. We've been by the riverbank, she's been in the river, we've been on the beach, she's been in the sea, she's played on the sand. Yeah, so we've had a nice afternoon, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it, and that we'll keep making these vlogs for you and all that. Hope you enjoy them as well, and that, so we'll say bye for now, guys, and if we can do anything tomorrow for you, we will do. So see you soon.